Your doors do more than just open and close. They protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and contribute to curb appeal. In Metairie, where weather conditions can shift from humid heat to heavy storms, having durable and reliable doors is essential. But like any part of your home, doors don't last forever. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve comfort, and boost your home's value. Here are the top signs you may need replacement doors in Metairie. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door sticks, jams, or refuses to close properly, it's more than just an inconvenience. Over time, humidity and temperature changes in Metairie can cause doors to warp or shift. This can affect the alignment with the frame, making it harder to operate. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, persistent problems often signal that a full replacement is the better long-term solution. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, rust, or rotting wood are clear indicators that your door is past its prime. Exterior doors are especially vulnerable to the elements, and damage can weaken their structure. Not only does this affect appearance, but it can also compromise your home's security. A new door provides both improved safety and a refreshed look. Drafts and poor insulation. Have you noticed a draft even when your door is closed? That's a sign your door is no longer sealing properly. In Metairie's warm climate, poor insulation can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain indoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors are designed with better insulation and tighter seals, helping keep your home comfortable year-round. Increased energy bills. If your energy costs have been creeping up without a clear reason, your doors could be part of the problem. Older doors often lack the energy-efficient features found in newer models. Replacing them with insulated, energy-efficient doors can significantly reduce heat transfer and lower your monthly utility expenses. Water leaks or moisture damage. Metairie is no stranger to heavy rain and storms. If you notice water seeping in around your door or signs of moisture damage like swelling, peeling paint, or mold, it's time to act. Water intrusion can lead to more serious structural issues if left unchecked. A properly installed replacement door can protect your home from further damage. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks outdated, faded, or doesn't match your home's style anymore, replacing it can instantly boost curb appeal. Whether you prefer a modern design or a classic look, a new door can transform the overall appearance of your property. Security concerns. Older doors may not offer the same level of security as newer models. Weak materials, worn locks, or outdated designs can make your home more vulnerable. Upgrading to a new door with reinforced materials and modern locking systems provides peace of mind and better protection for your family. Noise from outside. If you can easily hear traffic, neighbors, or other outdoor noise through your door, it may not be providing adequate insulation. New doors with improved materials can help reduce noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself constantly fixing your door, adjusting hinges, patching damage, or dealing with recurring issues, it may be more cost-effective to replace it. Investing in a new door eliminates ongoing maintenance headaches and ensures reliable performance. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors isn't just about fixing a problem. It's about improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider an upgrade. In a place like Metairie, where weather and humidity can take a toll, choosing high-quality replacement doors is a smart investment that pays off in the long run.